What's up, Gadgeteers? Welcome back to Gadget Beer. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Google Pixel Watch 4. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at this bad boy. Very similar packaging to last year's Pixel Watch 3. As you can see, I have the packaging right here, where the box is a little shorter. They save some material, so they save the planet. But Google, same thing, Google Pixel Watch 3. Google Pixel Watch 4, 45 millimeter, both LTE version. Now, one thing is they did offer you a 2-year data plan with Google Fi if you went ahead and ordered the LTE version, which was absolutely cool. And I didn't pay for this, so what I did was I pre-ordered the Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold. They gave me about like $300 in-store Google credit, and that's how I picked this up. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at this. Now, let me be honest with you, I unboxed this and I wasn't recording, which is a bummer, but this is what you're going to get. Very nice packaging, very premium from Google, similar to last year's silhouette of the device. You're going to go ahead and pull this. Boom. Here you're presented with the 45 millimeter Pixel Watch 4, looking absolutely fantastic. The only difference about this model is that you do have the docking station pins right there where the speaker is, compared to last year's you charge back here. You don't charge back here. Now back here you do have a heart rate sensor, a water resist, and it is water resistant up to 50 meters, IP68, sleep tracking, SPO2, Google Pixel Watch 4, 45 millimeter. It has all that data right there on the back. Wow. But very good looking watch, very similar watch as last year's. And like I said, I already opened this, and this is the brand new charging cord that it comes with. It was neatly packaged, but I failed to record. This is the docking station here. You're going to take this and dock it like so. It is magnetic, so it's going to dock very nice, as you can see. See if we can focus on this. It's looking very, very good. Now it's going to dock with your bands regardless. It's going to look very nice. No issues with it docking, and it's probably going to display some kind of like nice clock face there. Let's go ahead and put that aside and see what else is included with the purchase of this watch. Put that aside. Boot that over. You're going to get a set of bands. Now this is a small, petite, clean size band, and it's just like last year's. As a matter of fact, I have last year's right here, and look, they're all the same. They're all the same colors. No, nothing different. Last year's bands is going to work with this year's bands. No problem there. But the reason why I have them here is because I don't use them. I'm going to show you in a minute what bands I do use. And you are also included with a large band in case you have a large wrist. I don't have a large wrist. I have a very petite wrist. So that is the ones I'm going to use. And you get the manual warranty information from Google right here. That is everything you get in the box when you go ahead and purchase yourself a Google Pixel Watch 4. Let's go ahead and put this aside, and let me give you a peek. I guess we can do this right now. Since this is just an unboxing, we're going to go ahead and show you what I have here. Bam! This is the Spigen Rugged Armor Pro for the Google Pixel Watch. Now, Spigen did reach out and let me know that there was a problem with the first iteration of this watch where the docking doesn't quite work, doesn't charge the phone just right, and they have revised their Rugged Armor Pro to work properly. And once they are done with production, they're going to go ahead and send over the revised version of the Spigen Rugged Pro. But we can go ahead and see and unbox this one for now, because why not? I'm going to go ahead and use it until they send the new one. And I'm having difficulty cutting that one out right there. Is it that one? No, it wasn't that one. It was this one right here. Very well packaged from Spigen. Let's go see what we got. Come on. This thing took a beating during transit, bro. And I cannot get it out. It's being super, super difficult. There we go. There we go. There we go. So we have how to remove it from the charging docking station that's included and how to install your watch right there. So this is the band that I like to use. I've always used this band from Spigen, whether it was the Pixel Watch 3, the 2, or the 1. This is what you saw on my wrist when I went ahead and wore any watch, including the Galaxy watch as well. I like this rugged. Like I said, I'm a utility worker and it works just fine for me. So very simple install. You're gonna go ahead and just undo the band here, grab this, you just place this like so, and bam, it's nice in there. Now these work with screen protectors as well. I believe they do have their own screen protector that works just fine, but as you can see, all the cutouts and everything nice and precise, the buttons reachable. That docking station is what probably interferes with it, but either way, it comes with the docking station itself. So what you do is you kind of place this in here, goes in there, provides the power, and then this docking station kind of goes in here and docks it very nice like that. Apparently it's not working properly, but it is magnetic and it does seat in there very well, so hopefully it does work. But they do have a revised version that they're going to send over. It looks absolutely fantastic. Look at that, bam, and you just sit there and let it charge like that. Well, that's all I have for you today. Was just a quick unboxing. I'm gonna go ahead and set the watch up, and yeah, I do gotta pack my Google Pixel 3 45mm watch. I gotta reset it and I gotta send it away because I did trade it in for this bad boy as well. I'm gonna miss that device, but I am gonna do a review, overall review over it and how well it held up, especially in my type of work and what I do. And I believe it's held up just fine. So without further ado, if you have any questions regarding this case or the Google Pixel Watch 4, please leave them down in the comment section below. I'll try to answer them to the best of my ability. If you want to pick one of these up, like I said, link will be in the description of the video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.